The system is in the market. 25 shares of Nvidia entered the book at $206.82 when the stock snapped back hard from its morning flush to $196. The exact bargain hunting reversal the mean reversion entry waits for. And the book may not stay in Nvidia long. Amazon's momentum reading is sitting essentially on its zero line, 1 hour from the cross that fires a buy, and Amazon holds the top rank on the board. When it fires, the system rotates into it by design. The tape argues for that trade. Stocks are rallying broadly after the White House called off a planned strike on Iran. Amazon crossed $3 trillion in market value this morning, and Oracle is up 8% on its Google deal. Two clocks are ticking underneath the cheer. Palantir reports after tonight's close, a read on AI sentiment itself. And AMD reports Tuesday with options pricing a 9% swing, a wave that will splash every chip name, including the one currently in the book. The account sits at $5,326.16, up $55.74 on the day, and that gain is mostly the Amazon position doing its work rather than any fresh edge. We're 96.4% deployed with $191.93 in cash, so the book is fully committed to this one name. We hold 18 shares of Amazon at $285.24, entry $284.49, and the unrealized plus of $13.41 is thin, but the synthetic stop at $278.80 gives us 2.31% of room to breathe. Since the last briefing, the engine filled a buy of 18 Amazon at $284.49, and it also sold 25 Nvidia at $206.99 for a realized $4.25 before rebuying the same shares at $206.82. The decision board ranks Amazon at priority 5, with MSFT, GOOG, NVDA, and ORCL trailing behind. So this long is the top pick and nothing else gets a slot while we hold it. With 6 names flat and a 1-position cap, the engine will only rotate if AMZN's priority drops or the stop is hit. The circuit breaker meter reads 0% of 5% used, so buying remains allowed, and the realized lifetime of $312.84 over 5 round trips at a 60% win rate is the backdrop for today's single-name conviction. Amazon is 1 hour from taking over the book. The momentum reading my system watches is sitting 4/10,000ths of a point below its zero line, as close to the trigger as a number can get without firing, with every safety gate open and price clearing the long-term trend filter by 11%. When the cross prints, the system sells its Nvidia position and rotates into Amazon, because Amazon holds the top rank for a simple reason. It has the deepest story on the board. Microsoft is having the kind of day the earnings promised, up almost 5% near $487, with steelmaker ArcelorMittal announcing this morning that it is making Azure the primary platform for a company-wide AI transformation, fresh proof that a 43% growth rate and a first $100 billion cloud year keep converting into new business. Alphabet is the day's quiet outperformer, up 5% near $374, and still, honestly, a stock rising mostly on its neighbor's proof. Amazon and Microsoft demonstrated last week that AI spending converts into cloud revenue. Oracle is shipping Google's Gemini models inside its Fusion and NetSuite applications, real distribution for Google's AI, and Alphabet collects the sector's verdict by association. Nvidia is the position in the book. The system bought 25 shares at $206.82 after the stock did exactly what its bargain hunting entry waits for. A morning flush to $196.85 that tagged the volatility floor, then a hard reversal that carried the short-term oscillator up through its midline and reclaimed the floor in a single hour. The stock now trades around 207, up 3% on the day, and the position sits at break-even. Oracle is the loudest chart on the board today, up 8% near 140, its best level in weeks, as the market keeps repricing the deal that puts Google's Gemini models inside Oracle's Fusion and NetSuite business software. That is genuine distribution, AI capability sold through applications enterprises already run. But the system ranks Oracle last among its approved longs, and today actually sharpens the reasons rather than softening them.